Unit 8. Lesson 2. Describing the elephant. A long time ago, there were 6 blind men who wanted to meet an elephant. They had heard many stories about these incredible animals, but each man had a different idea about what the elephant would look like. One day, a local farmer was walking along the road with an elephant that worked on his farm. The farmer asked if the men would like to touch the elephant to discover how it looks. The men were very excited and walked over to the enormous animal. The first man touched the side of the elephant. He said, "It's very tall and very strong. It's like the wall." The second man put his arms around the elephant's back leg. He said, "No, you're wrong. It's round and strong, like a tree trunk." When the third man put his hand on the elephant's trunk, he said, "You're both wrong. The elephant is long and flexible, it's just like a snake." The fourth man put his fingers against the elephant's tusk. He said, "It's hard, long and smooth. I think it's dangerous like a spear." The fifth man was very, very tall. He reached out and touched the elephant's ear. He said, "This elephant is smooth and flat, and shaped like a leaf." Finally, the sixth man put his hand on the elephant's tail. He said, "This elephant is not like a wall, a spear, or a snake. It's not like a leaf or a tree trunk. This elephant is just like a rope." The farmer listened to everything the men said. He turned to them and said, "In fact, you're all correct. Each of you only touched one part of the elephant. If you stop for a moment and listen to what you all think, you can all see what the elephant looks